mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. Exosphere is the outermost layer. Exosphere height 10,000 kilometers. Stratosphere is the next layer, for it is so hot. Stratosphere height 600 kilometers. Mesosphere is the middle layer. Mesosphere height 85 kilometers. Stratosphere is the next layer which contains four layers. Stratosphere height 50 kilometers. Troposphere is the lowest layer. Here only